Good evening students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start your new chapter, that is properties of angles and lines. This is the new chapter and today it is the first session of this chapter. So we will solve the first exercise, that is 25A. I have chosen some important questions from this first worksheet and the remaining questions will be in your homework. So before starting this chapter, so you have a clear concept what is angle and what is line actually, because angles were discussed previously and all lectures regarding that chapter were uploaded in my channel. So you have a clear concept what are angles, how many angles are there, what are their types, their classification. So that concept will be required a little bit for solving these questions and as well as this chapter. So let's start. So before start, we have two property 1 and property 2 that will be discussed, and based on those properties we will solve these questions. So first property 1, first property or property number 1, property 1. So what is first property or property number 1? It says that when two straight lines intersect each other, suppose there is a two straight line, one straight line is this and this is another straight line. Suppose this is straight line AB and this is straight line CD, and these two straight lines intersect at O point. Clear? So property 1 states that when two straight lines intersect each other, the sum of each pair of adjacent angles is always 180 degree. The sum of each pair of adjacent angles is always 180 degree. So number 1, it says when two straight lines intersect each other at one point, the sum of each pair of adjacent angle is always 180 degree. Now what are adjacent angles? In angles chapter I have already discussed what are adjacent angles, so I will not go into details. I will just based on this statement I will just explain the statement mathematically. So it states that when two straight lines intersect each other at one point, the sum of each pair of adjacent angles is always 180 degree. Now adjacent angle, there are already many adjacent angles here. So number 1 adjacent angle is that angle AOD, that means this angle angle AOD and angle DOB, these two are adjacent angles. So these two adjacent angles, so sum of these two angles will be 180 degree according to the statement or according to the property. That means we can write angle AOD plus angle DOB will be equal to 180 degree. That means sum of adjacent angle will be equal to 180 degree. First, this is the first pair. This is the first pair. Second pair is that, now see here angle BOC, here angle BOC, that means this angle BOC, and also this angle, that means BOD. These two are also adjacent angles, so we can write the sum of these angles will be equal to 180 degree. So angle BOD, that means BOD, this angle plus angle BOC, this angle will also equal to 180 degree. This is also a adjacent pair. Angle BOD plus angle BOC will be equal to 180 degree. Second, this is the second case. Now third pair is that angle BOC, that means this pair, and also angle AOC, that means this pair, angle BOC and angle AOC. This is will be the sum of these two angles will also be equal to 180 degree because these two are also adjacent angles. So angle BOC plus angle AOC, this is also equal to 180 degree. These two are also adjacent angles. The last pair is that angle AOC, that means this angle, and angle AOD, that means this angle. These two are also equal to 180 degree. So we can write angle AOC, that means angle AOC plus angle AOD plus angle AOD. This will also be equal to 180 degree. So here sum of all the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degree. So these are the 4 pair of adjacent angles. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. So 4 pair of adjacent angles are there. 4 pair of adjacent angles are there. Clear? So the first statement said that when the two straight lines intersect each other at one point, the sum of each pair of adjacent angles is always 180 degree. That is the first statement under property 1. The second statement under property 1, it states that the vertically opposite angles are always equal. The vertically opposite angles are always equal. The vertically opposite angle means this angle is vertically opposite to this angle and this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. Suppose this angle is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. So vertically opposite angle equal means angle 1 will be equals to angle 3, angle 1 will be equals to angle 3 and angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. So that is the second statement under property 1 and that is the first statement under property 1. So I am repeating again, the property 1 states that when two straight lines intersect each other at one point, the first statement is the sum of each pair of adjacent angles is always equal to 180 degree. That is the mathematical expression of first statement. The second statement is that the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. That is this statement. Mathematically it is expressed as vertically opposite angles are always equal. This angle is vertically opposite to this angle, so these two angles are equal, and this angle is vertically opposite to this angle, so these two angles are equal. So this is all about your first property or property 1. Now last property, that is second property, property number 2. Property number 2. Property number 2 is that it states, the statement of property 2, that if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then their exterior arms are always will be in the same straight line. Suppose the sum of two adjacent angle, if it is 180 degree, then the exterior arms are always will be in a straight line. So suppose there is a line or line segment. Suppose it is a line segment, it is a line segment AB, it is a line segment AB is given and it intersect with another line segment C, it is O. Clear? So this angle is adjacent to this angle, that means angle AOC, angle AOC, this is an angle, and angle BOC, this is an angle. So these two angles are adjacent to each other. So property 2 states that if the sum of two adjacent angles, that means this angle, these two angles are adjacent angles. Suppose this is angle 1 and suppose this is angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent to each other. So if angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree, that means if angle 1 plus angle 2, if angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree, then the exterior arms will always lie in the same straight line. Now here exterior arms means here this is the exterior arms, that means OA and OB, this is the exterior arms. So if these two angle, the sum of these two angle, if it is 180 degree, then OA and OB will be in a straight line. The exterior arms here OA and OB, the OA and OB will be in a straight line. For that means AOB will be a straight line. OA and OB is a straight line, that means AOB will be in a straight line. That is the property 2. So it states that if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the exterior arms will always lie in a straight line. So angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. So angle 1 and angle 2, if it is 180 degree, then exterior arm is OA and OB. So OA and OB will be in a straight line. If these two angles, the sum of these two angles, if it is 180 degree, then exterior arms OA and OB will be in a straight line, or we can say AOB is a straight line. That is the property 2. Clear? So there are two property, one property 1 and another one is property 2. Clear? So based on these two properties, we will start solving the questions from your first exercise. So let's start question number 1. First question, question number 1. So question number 1 states that two straight lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O and angle AOC given 50 degrees. So that is the diagram given. That is the diagram. So two straight lines AB and CD are two straight lines. They intersect each other at point O and angle AOC given 50 degrees. So AOC, it is 50 degree given. Find angle BOD. So we have to find angle BOD, angle AOD and angle BOC. So 3 questions under part 1. So at first, angle BOD, that is BOD. So this angle, see, remember the property 2. Property 2 states that the sum of if two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then their exterior arms will be in a straight line. That was the property 2. And property 1 states that when two straight lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now see, this angle is vertically opposite to this angle because these two straight lines intersect each other. So these two are vertically opposite angle and these two are vertically opposite angles. Now if it is 50 degree, then it will also be 50 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. That is the property number 1. So if it is 50 degree, then these two angles are vertically opposite. So if it is 50 degree, then it is always equal to this angle. So it will this angle will always be equal to 50 degree. So angle BOD will be 50 degree. So just write angle BOD will be equals to 50 degree. The reason is that angle AOC is vertically opposite to angle BOD. Angle AOC is vertically opposite to angle BOD. That is why BOD is 50 degree. AOC is 50 degree. It is given. So BOD is always 50 degree. Now here you can write here also given angle AOC 50 degree. That's why angle BOD will also be 50 degree because these two angles are vertically opposite. So first question number 1 is solved. Question number 2, then angle AOD. So AOD means angle AOD. That means we have to find this angle. Clear? This is angle AOD. This is O. So AOD means this angle. This is the angle AOD. Now see, this is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. Angle BOD is 50 degree. Now these two angles are adjacent angles. These two angles are adjacent angles. This angle AOD, this angle BOD, this angle. So these two angles are adjacent angles. So remember property number 1, when two straight lines intersect each other, the sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. The sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. That is the property 1. So according to property 1, the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree because these two are adjacent angles. Then we can always get the value of angle AOD. So from property 1, we can write that angle AOD plus angle BOD, it is 180 degree. Angle AOD plus angle BOD, it is 180 degree because property 1 states that when two straight lines intersect each other, the sum of adjacent angles will always be equal to 180 degree. Now these two angles are adjacent angles. Sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Now we know that angle BOD it is 50 degree. So we will put angle BOD 50 degree and we will find the value of angle AOD. So just write angle AOD and BOD is 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AOD will be equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore angle OOD equal to 130 degree. So angle AOD will equal to 130 degree. So that is your answer. Therefore angle AOD equal to 130 degree. Clear? So that is the solution of part 2. Part 2 questions. Question A or number part 2 is solved. Now angle BOC. So BOC, see angle BOC. So this angle. Now see angle AOD was 130 degrees. So this angle is vertically opposite to these angles. These two angles are vertically opposite like these two angles. So these two angles are vertically opposite. So if it is 130 degree, it will also be 130 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle BOC will be 130 degree. Therefore angle BOC will be 130 degree. The reason is that angle AOD is vertically opposite to angle BOC. That is the reason. Angle AOD, that is AOD, this angle is vertically opposite to BOC. That is why BOC will also be 130 degree. Angle AOD is vertically opposite to angle BOC. That's why BOC will also be 130 degree. Clear? So that is the solution of part 3. So question number 1 complete. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 states that the adjoining figure means this is the figure, that is the figure given with question number 2. So the adjoining figure shows two straight lines A, B and C D intersecting at point P. So A, B and C D, these two straight lines intersected at point P. So two angles are given, angle APD it is given and angle BPC it is given. Clear? So we have to find the value of x, as well as angle APD. So just write what we have given in question. So first angle BPC is given, angle BPC it is given 4x minus 5 degree, and angle APD it is given, 3x plus 15 degree, angle BPC equal to 4x minus 5 degree, angle APD equal to 3x plus 15 degree. Clear? Now we have to find the value of x. Now see, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Clearly you can see that if this is the two straight lines, they intersect at point P. That means the property 1 states that when both the straight lines intersect at some common point, the vertically opposite angles are equal. That is the property number 1. So these two angles are vertically opposite. So according to property 1, we can say that these two angles are equal, because property 1 states that vertical opposite angles are equal. So we can write from property 1 that angle APD will be equal to angle BPC, because they are vertically opposite angles. So just put value of angle APD. APD is 3x plus 15 degree and angle BPC is 4x minus 5 degree. Therefore 3x minus 4x equal to minus 5 degree minus 15 degree. So just rearrange, 3x minus 4x will be equal to minus 5 minus 15. Therefore minus x will be equal to minus 20 degree. So minus will eliminate, so x will be equal to 20 degree. So value of x is 20 degree. So in the first question, solve. Therefore you can write, therefore x equal to 20. Just write x equal to 20. That is the answer. Okay, next question number 2, APD. So APD here, see APD value, APD is 3x plus 15 and you have x 20. So just put the value of x here and get the value of angle APD. So question number 2, angle APD. So angle APD given 3x plus 15 degree. Angle APD given 3x plus 15 degree. So x is 20. So put 20 in place of x. So 3 into 20 plus 15 degree. So 3 into 20, that is 60 degree plus 15 degree. So it is 75 degree. 60 plus 10, 70 and 5, 75 degree. So 75 degree is the answer. Clear? Next. So question number 2, solve. Next. Question number 4. So question number 4 is that each figure given below. So there are two figures, 4.2 and 4.3. Two figures are given. Each figure given below shows a pair of adjacent angles AOB and BOC. So from first figure we can see that AOB and BOC. So they are adjacent angles. Clear? It is given that they are adjacent angles AOB and BOC. Find whether or not the exterior arms OA and OC are in the same straight line. That means we have given two diagrams. So I am talking only the first diagram now. We will talk later for the third question. So in this diagram it is given that angle AOB and angle BOC, these two angles are adjacent angles. We have to find that whether the exterior arms, that means OA and OC, are in straight line or not. Clear? Now remember property 2. The statement of property 2 was that if the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the exterior arms are always in the same straight line. That means if the sum of these two adjacent angle, is 180 degree, then only these two exterior arms will be in a straight line. That is the property number 2. It states that if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then their exterior arms will be in a straight line. So we will find just sum of these two angles, and if the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, only then this OA and OC, two exterior arms, will be on a straight line. Otherwise it will be not on a straight line. Clear? So just find this the sum of these two angles first. So question 4 part 2. So angle AOB, it is given 97 degree, and angle BOC, it is given 83 degree. Now find angle AOB plus angle BOC. So AOB is 97 degree, BOC is 83 degree. Now it is 180. If you find the sum, you can easily find that 97 degree plus 83 degree equal to 180 degree. 90 and 80, 170, 170 and 10, 180 degree. So that means the sum is 180 degree. So the exterior two arms OA and OC will be on a straight line. According to property 2, we can say that OA and OC, the two exterior arms, will be in a straight line, will be in a same straight line. Therefore you can write that exterior arms OA and OC are in the same straight line. Exterior arms OA and OC are in the same straight line. That is from property 2. Clear? That is the statement given by property 2. Next, question 3. Question 3, the same thing. We will just add these two angles, because COB, this angle is 88 degree, and BOA, this angle is 112 degree. So if the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, only then these two exterior arms will be on a straight line. So just find the first the sum of these two angles. So angle BOC, it is given 88 degree. So angle BOC, it is given 88 degree, and angle BOA, it is given 112 degree. So angle BOA, it is given 112 degree. Now find the sum of these two angles, that is angle BOC plus angle BOA. That means BOC is 88 degree and BOA, it is 112 degree. So just add 188, 188 and 12. It is 200 degree. If you add 112 plus 88, it is 200 degree. Clearly it is not 180 degree. That means the exterior two arms OA and OC will not be in a straight line, because if the sum would have been 180 degree, only then the two arms will be in a straight line. But the sum is 200 degree, so that means we cannot say that the two exterior arms OA and OC will be in a straight line. So your answer will be, I'm going to erase the first portion. So just write answer. Therefore exterior arms OA and OC are not in the same straight line. Exterior arms OA and OC are not in the same straight line, because the sum is 200 degree. It is not 180 degree. If it would have been 180 degree, only then the two arms would have been in a straight line. Clear? So it is not in a straight line. Next, question number 5, last question of this exercise. Question number 5. Question number 5 is that a line segment AP stands at point P of a straight line. Now question number 5, no diagram is given, only the statement is given, and you have to draw your diagram based on that statement. So a line segment AP stands at point P of a straight line BC. So there is a straight line BC, and a line segment AP stands over a straight line BC at point P, such that angle APB is 5x minus 40 degree and angle APC is x plus 10 degree. So find the values of x and angle APB. So there is a line, straight line BC. So there is a straight line BC. So that is a, suppose this is a straight line, there is BC. This is BC, and it says that a line segment AP stands at point P. So suppose that is AP, a line segment P and AP. Now just don't need to put arrow, just write BC. So BC is a straight line and AP is a line segment at point P over a straight line BC. Now here says that angle APB is 5x minus 40 degree. So APB, angle APB, that means this angle is 5x minus 40 degree. And also it is given that angle APC is x plus 10 degree. Angle APC, that means this angle, is x plus 10 degree. So we have to find the values of x. So values of x. Now see, these two angles are adjacent angles. Clearly you can see that these two angles are adjacent angles, and according to property 1, when two straight lines intersect each other, the sum of each pair of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. So this is the two straight lines BC and AP, they intersect at point P, so they are adjacent angles, and according to property 1 we can say that the sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So you can write, therefore angle APB plus angle APC equal to 180 degree. Angle APB plus angle APC equal to 180 degree. Now put values. APB is 5x minus 40 degree and APC is x plus 10 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore 5x plus x, it is 6x minus 40 plus 10, that is minus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore 6x will be equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree. Therefore 6x will be equal to 210 degree. Therefore x equal to 210 degree divided by 6. So reduce, 3 2s are 6, 3 70. Therefore 35 degree. Therefore x equal to 35 degree. Therefore your answer is x equal to 35 degree. That is the value of x equal to 35 degree. So 5x plus x, that is 6x, minus 40 plus 10, that is minus 30. So 6x minus 30 degree equal to 180 degree, so it is 210 degree. So it is 35, it is 35 degree. So x is 35 degree. So therefore x is 35 degree. Now the second question is, we have to find the angle APB. So APB is angle APB is 5x minus 40 degree. Therefore we can write angle APB. The value of APB is given already. The value of angle APB is 5x minus 40 degree. Now we have x 35 degree. So just put 35 degree in place of x. So 5 into 35 degree minus 40 degree. Now calculate 5 into 35. So it is 175 degree minus 40 degree. So it is 135 degree. So x is 35. So 5 into 35, that is 175 degree minus 40 degree. So finally it's 135 degree. So angle APB is 135 degree. Clear? So with this, your all these questions from exercise 25A were solved, and that is the properties, two properties, and based on two properties we will answer the questions like this. Clear? So in the next session we will solve the next exercise. Okay, thank you.